Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a HIIT workout. Well, y'all chose this. Now y'all are going to suffer because I'm going to suffer, so we're going to suffer together. Basically, if you're going to die, remember to breathe, okay? And at any point of time, if you feel something's too intense or too challenging, you can level down. And I will show you levels wherever, I don't know where I'm going to edit it, but there will always be levels of what you can do and if something is too intense for you, yeah? Remember, you can keep a bottle of water next to you. For me, I've got my pump next to me because I'm going to die. I know this for sure, okay? So we're going to start and it's a full body workout. We're going to start now. Make sure you warmed up before, boom, somewhere here I'm assuming that pop-up is going to come and click on that and do the warm-up because now we're doing the workout and after that, do the cool down. So the first thing we're going to go into judo push-ups or what are they called? Hindu push-ups or bomb divers apparently. Oh my god, I'm so sore. Inhale, exhale. From here, we're going to do 15. So we're going to go down. That's come back in. That's one. Down. And in. I'm not going to talk a lot now because I'm going to die. Breathe into it. Seven. Keep breathing. 8. 9. 10. Clearly we're not doing 15. We are doing 10. From there, in each set, you have a 10-second break. So you're going to take 10 seconds to just breathe and get your energy back. Oh. So make sure you don't sit down, stretch while you're doing this. Stand up so that your energy is up. Otherwise, you're cooling down and there's no point in doing that. We're doing split jumps. Inhale. Exhale. Just 20. Oh, God, Jesus. Inhale. Exhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whoop, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, yes, break, 10 seconds, keep breathing, through your nose. From here, we're going to go into the plank, roll down, come onto the floor, come into like a plank position, up, and up, breathe. Make sure your body is stacked on top of each other. Keep breathing throughout. Just 30 seconds. Breathe as much as you can. After this, again, you have like a 10-second break. But breathe. Things might be shaking. It's all okay. Breathe. Keep pushing the hips up. Don't sink the hip down. Up. From there, that's a tune. We're going to go into the next one. From there, we finish one side. We're going to take a break for 10 seconds. Go into the next one. It's not that bad, right? It's fine. We are surviving. It's okay. As we go down, going to come plank position. As we come into a plank position, take the hand in center. As you take the hand in center, twist. As we twist, whoop, take the other hand up. Keep breathing. Nice, long hand push up. I can't make small talk when I'm doing this, but I hope you all are fine and not dying. Well, I wish you are dying a little bit. In a good way dying, not a bad way dying. I'm horrible at small talk, by the way, if you haven't realized. Keep pushing the body up as opposed to sinking down. Keep pushing up. If you feel this is too intense, you can come onto your forearms and do the same thing, yeah? Keep breathing. From there, we're going to relax. That's our tune. Down. We're going to stand. Keep breathing. Relax. From here, we're going to go into the revolving squat position. Keep breathing, okay, throughout. Remember, don't get your knees in. You always want to try and keep pushing your hips back as much as you can. Inhale. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I know my 2 times table. That's great. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to go down. Up. 1, 2. Revolve towards you. 1, 2. To the back. 1, 2. Forward. Now forward, my bad. 1, 2. Again, left side. 1, 2. Back. 2. 2. Forward. 2. Relax. Your legs should be burning. Breathe. Okay, from here, if you want to take the pump, take the pump. Right now I'm okay. I'm surviving for now. Let's get into this. You're going to do a handstand, hold for 30 seconds. Find a wall. If you can do a handstand without the wall, great, do it for 30 seconds. 1 and up. And stay. Try and not kill yourself. No. Try and don't sink into the shoulders. Push the shoulders up. Keep looking forward. Keep breathing as much as you can. 30 seconds, that's all we're doing. 30 seconds. Oh. Keep breathing. We are, I hope, almost there. Keep breathing. We are done. From there, we're going to come back down again. Remember, slowly, as much as you can. Take a 10-second break. From here, we're going to go into a hollow back hold. It's my favorite. If you can't do a hollow back hold, you can just lie down on your back and lift your legs up into a 90 degrees, okay? If it's too intense for you. Again, all the variations are going to be shown, don't worry. Legs up, lift the shoulders off, get the feet off. Keep breathing as much as you can. Breathe. 30 seconds. This is the intense one. Keep breathing as much as you can. So the idea is if you don't breathe, you're gonna die. I didn't make this up, it's science. Keep breathing. Idly inhalation and exhalation through your nose. Remember, shoulder blades off the floor, feet 1 inch off the floor. Don't arch the back, take that tailbone in as much as you can. Oh, thank God. And relax. Thank the Lord's in heaven, or up or down, where, I don't know. Keep breathing. The last one that we're going to be doing is favorite. We're going to be doing jumping half handstands. I love it. Yeah. If you can hold. The idea of this one is till death. That means as much as you can. You want to do 5, you can do 5. You want to do 10, you can do 10. You want to do 50, you can do 50. Also, something you want to remember, I'm only doing 1 set with y'all. Beginners is 1 set. Intermediate is 3. Advanced is 5. So keep doing 5 and then you will feel it as it comes. Yeah. Inhale. Exhale. Sit in Vajrasana. From there, inhale, exhale up. Remember, as much as you can. The moment you feel tired, because this is still there. So you're working your quadriceps and your arms as well. So sometimes you might be able to catch it, which is great. Other times you can just come back down. Doesn't matter. As much as you can. I have no idea how many I did, but I'm not tired yet, so let's try. The idea is you want to come down, balls of the feet, push up. Oh, that's cray. And sometimes magic just happens on its own. And relax. Now my shoulders are dead. I hope, oh my God, I hope I can walk after this. But I hope this was okay and you're fine. Again, this is a full body thing. Once you're comfortable with any variation or whatever you feel, try and do it, yeah? Don't push yourself. Don't force yourself. Again, start with what you're comfortable. I am not someone great who can do all of this and not feel breathless. I die each time. I despise HIIT workouts, okay? For this reason. Because my heart wants to just come out, fall out and die. Breathe. Be very, very comfortable with what you're doing. Now that you've finished the work done, do not forget to do the cool down. Yeah? Link will be here. Till I see you next time. Practice daily. Stay safe. Stay humble. Kbye.